about Angular pipes. So what is use of Angular pipes? By using Angular pipes we can transform our data into required format. Let's illustrate that with few examples. Let's create a property inside the app component class. For example, public channel with data type string equals some value. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to reuse this property inside the template. That is, I want to bind this property to the template by using interpolation concept. If you want in detail about the interpolation concept, you can watch my video about interpolation where I have discussed in detail about how we can use interpolation. Interpolation is nothing but we are binding component class property to the template, that is the HTML content. So here I am using channel name, channel property I want to bind here. That we can do by using interpolation, that is double curly brace name of the property. So if you specify like this, what will happen? The value of this property will get displayed on our web page because it is fetching this value here. Okay. Now I want to transform this data into uppercase. That we can achieve by using Angular pipes. That is by specifying pipe symbol. Okay. Then we need to write as uppercase. Now if you save the changes, and run this by using npm space start, you can observe in the web page that whatever the value specified inside the app component class, that is the channel property, this text is getting displayed in uppercase. So by using Angular pipe we can transform our data to uppercase. This is one of the example. So next example what I want to do is I will take another property public dob string equals, I will specify some date here. Okay, 05/2020 for example. Okay. Now this is the date of birth, for example we have taken 01/05/2020. Now I want to convert this in the form of full date. I want to display complete date. That we can do by using double curly brace dob with pipe symbol, then date colon, I want to display in the form of full date. Okay, /h2. Okay, now I will save these changes. Now if you observe the web page, you can see the complete date getting displayed here. If you observe here, the value which I have specified inside the app component class, that is dob, is 01/05/2020. But the value which is getting displayed is Sunday, January 5th, 2020. It is showing in this format. This is how we are converting, we are transforming the data to our required format using Angular pipe. This is another example of it. Now I want to apply here whatever the date which is getting displayed here, I also want it to be displayed with uppercase. Along with displaying the full date, I want it to be displayed with uppercase. So what I will do, instead of creating one more, I can just add one more pipe symbol here and specify as uppercase. Now if I save the changes by using Ctrl S, you can observe in the web page showing the specified date in uppercase format. Okay, this is another example how we can use Angular pipe. Now I want to display in our own custom date format, not in this format. That how we can do? See, for example, instead of this, okay, what I am going to do is double curly brace, same property I am taking, that is dob, pipe symbol, date colon. Here I want to specify the required format I want to display the date. For example, mm/dd/yy. Okay, I want to display in this format. If you specify like this, if you save the changes and observe the web page, you can see the date getting displayed in the format which we have specified, that is YY. So whatever the format which we want to specify, we also can specify like this, or we can specify the value for it as a full date. Okay. Now let's take another property here, that is public amount, for example. Okay, let's take another property, public amount. Okay, number, data type is number, equals 100.4567, for example. Now I want to display this amount in the form of currency format. Here this is just a number. I want to transform this data into currency format. That we can do by using, that is double curly brace, name of the property specified in the app component class, that is amount. Okay, pipe symbol, currency. Here we need to pass the value in which currency we want to specify this value. I want to show this value in the form of Indian rupee format. So I can use INR format, and I want to display INR symbol prefix to this value. Prefix to this value I want to display INR, that is symbol of INR. That we can achieve by using colon. I want to display in the form of symbol. Okay, /h2. Now if I save the changes and observe the web page, see here you can see the value 100.46 with prefixed with INR symbol. This is the INR symbol. If you want to use like US dollars, you can specify USD here and save the changes, Ctrl S. If you observe here, you can see $100.46 getting displayed here. That is how we can specify this number value in the form of currency by using Angular pipes. Now there is one more example for usage of Angular pipes, that is public, for example, percentage. Okay, number equals, for example, I am taking 0.259. Okay, now this value I want to display in the form of percentage. That we can do by using Angular pipes, that is name of the property which we have specified inside the app component class, that is percentage, pipe symbol, and I want to convert this value in the form of percent. So pipe percent, we need to specify like this and save the changes. Now if you observe the web page, you can see the value getting displayed, that is 25.9%. This percentage symbol is getting displayed here. So this is how we are converting the number value to percentage value. Required format we can transform the data. Okay, and suppose if I want to display this number by specifying that two numbers before the decimal value and two numbers after the decimal value, how we can do that? We can specify by using, let's remove this, we can specify by using percentage, pipe symbol, percent, colon. Here inside we need to specify, for percent we need to specify the format which we want to display. We want to display 2 digits before the decimal value, for example. Then we can specify 2 dot. If I want to display 1 digit before the decimal value, then I need to specify 1 dot 2 hyphen 2. Okay, /h2. If you save the changes and if you observe here, it is showing as 25.90%. So how this is getting displayed is, before the decimal point I want 2 digits to be displayed. Okay, that is 0.259. So 25 is getting to before the decimal point. and then 2 after the decimal point. After the decimal point 90 is getting displayed. This is how we are transforming our data into required format by using Angular pipes. These are the built-in pipes which we have used so far. There are also custom pipes which we can configure by writing our own service and by using those pipes wherever required. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, comment and share this video, and kindly subscribe to my channel in order to watch more videos.